In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row in Airtable. Let's get started by heading to the Airtable website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. You can use your usual login method, and if you're already signed in, you'll land right on your workspace. Next, open the base that contains the data you want to update, and then open the specific table inside that base. Think of a base as the whole project, and a table as one sheet within it. With your table open, scroll down to the very bottom of the grid. You should see a faint empty row or a button that says, Add Record. If your table is long, use the scroll bar on the right or the End key on your keyboard to get there quickly. In most grid views, Airtable always keeps an empty row ready for your next entry, so you don't need to insert anything manually. Click the Add Record button, or click directly into that empty row to start. A fresh row will appear, and each column will be a field you can fill out. Begin entering your data one cell at a time. You can press Tab to move to the next field and Shift plus Tab to go back. Airtable supports different field types like single select, date, number, checkbox, and attachments, so enter information that matches the field type. If a field is calculated, like a formula or a roll-up, you won't be able to type into it. Airtable will populate it automatically based on your other entries. When you're done filling in the details, press Enter to confirm the row, or simply click anywhere outside the row. Airtable auto-saves as you go, so there's no separate save button to hunt for. If you see a warning or a red outline on a cell, it usually means the value doesn't match the field's format. Fix that cell and Airtable will save the change right away. Finally, confirm that your new row appears in the table. If your view has sorting or grouping turned on, the record might jump to a different position as soon as it's saved. For example, a sort by date could move it higher or lower than where you added it. If you can't find the record, check whether filters are hiding it and temporarily clear or adjust them. Once you've verified it's there, you're done. That's all it takes to add a new row in Airtable. Open your base and table, go to the bottom, add a record, enter your data, save by pressing Enter or clicking away, and confirm it's visible in your view.